Snow is falling white and cold. Jerry's quick and Jerry's bold. Tom slides fast down the hill. Jerry laughs, what a thrill. Tom and Jerry start to play. They make a snowman tall today. Jerry hides inside its big round hat. Tom sneaks closer, I'll get that. But the snowman wobbles, down it goes. Now they're buried under snow. Jerry pops out with a tiny sneeze. Tom starts laughing in the breeze. As they play, they see some friends. A snowy owl on a branch bends. A white rabbit hops by so quick. And a polar bear does a funny trick. Jerry makes skis and slides away. Tom takes a sled, I'll win today. Oops, he hits a tree. Big crash, now he's stuck in snow. What a splash. Jerry builds an igloo warm inside. Tom creeps closer, you can't hide. But the igloo breaks, down they go. Both roll out in heaps of snow. Tom and Jerry climb the hill. The snowy air is crisp and still. But Tom slips, help me please. Jerry grabs him with such ease. They build snow forts, one each side. Tom's is tall where he can hide. Jerry's is small but built with care. Snowballs fly through the frosty air. A polar bear cub joins the play, rolling in snow through the frosty day. Jerry rides the bear with a cheerful shout. Tom says, watch out or you'll fall out. Night falls softly, stars aglow. Tom and Jerry rest in the snow. They share a laugh, their hearts are light. Friends forever on this snowy night.